Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone. How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good, I'm great, Allahu Akbar.
Okay guys, today I will tell you about my personal branding. Okay, my name is Adliata Ramadan. I was born in Bogor City on September 19, 2008. And now I live in Bogor City, Pasguda, Jalan Jabar 4. I am a responsible and hardworking person. And I like new learning things. And next, my hobby is fixing and modifying motorcycle because this hobby is make me happy and maybe this my passion. And next, my goal is to become a successful person, make my family proud of me, and I want go to IPB University Technician. And next, my study story. At first, TK Salah Sabil, and SD Al Mustari, SMP Al Mustari, and now in SMA Pesat School of Talent. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam